What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing a little DIY or tutorial, I guess, on changing out all of the bulbs, well, front end blinkers and fog lights and the side reflector bulbs. They're pretty beat from the previous owner. Looks like he spray painted them. You can't see that one. And that one, and this one has some yellow film on it that's all gross and old and falling off. So, kind of gonna go through step by step on how to replace those. So, let's get started. I also wanted to go over what we're gonna be replacing them with. So, these are just Depo smoked front turn signals, pretty standard. Then you have Depo yellow fogs replacement, and then these are just smoked little side blinkers. We got 4 of those, two to replace all the broken. Alright, before we get started, I just want to go over these a little more. So this is your side blinker. It's broken on that side. This is your front blinker. This thing's completely smashed in. I don't know how that happened. Your left side, driver's side fog, that has the same film on it. Looks like crap, and it's not even connected. Then you come over here, you got your other front reflector. It's been painted too, just looks like crap. Same thing on the fog light. That one actually works though. And then this side reflector, not as broken, but just still looks like crap because it was spray painted. And then you come to the back, and you have these rear, well, this one's gone because I already pulled it out, but you have these rear blinkers on the side that also just look like trash. So we're gonna start on the front end here, and we'll go from there. Alright, to take the front blinkers off, you're gonna need to remove the bumper. So there's 2 bolts underneath. They're either hex or the Torx bit. This one's a T55 if it's a Torx bit. And then you're gonna just need to pop these side blinkers off first, so you don't pull the wires out. So we're gonna start by popping these out, and then taking the covers off these with just the 2 screws, and then we'll pull the bumper off. So those are super simple to take off. Just a little spring clip here, and then they're just plugged in on the back. Now we'll take the bumper off. Alright, once you have the bumper off, it's 2 8mm screws that hold the back of this in. Super simple. Now we'll get started on putting new ones in. Now we're gonna start on the fog lights. I think it'll be easier to do them with the bumper off because you have to kind of get behind them. And there's 4 8mm bolts. You can kind of see where they connect to right here. So we'll try and get those out next. Okay, one down, one to go. This thing is pretty beat. Got the fog lights in, forgot to hit record on the camera. So here they are, installed. Same process as taking them out. I didn't have clips on mine. Normally they just clip in. So I had to wire them in, but easy install. Now we're just gonna reattach the bumper and hook everything up, install the new side markers, and then we'll turn it all on. See how it looks. Okay, got everything installed again. I'll flip the car around so you can see everything in the light. Just got to... It's dark. I didn't mean for it to get dark so fast, but... Just gotta install the side markers, and then we'll flip her around and do a little reveal. And we'll be good to go. that pretty much sums it up. All of them went in pretty easy. The fog lights and blinkers, or not the fog lights, sorry. The blinkers and the side markers, those will come with bulbs. So you don't need to buy bulbs for those. The fog lights will not. So if you want to replace your fog light bulbs while you're doing it, which I strongly advise, just buy those separate. And I forgot to mention, the headlights were already installed before this video. They're the Depo smoked smileys with the crosshair headlight, or crosshair bright. But yeah, that's about it. Makes the front end of the car look way better. And the lighting is really improved too. If you guys like the video, like it, and subscribe for more E30 content, and the 335 should make an appearance on the page soon. Thank you.